really understand is in the hemp plant, there is no CBD. There's CBDa, and there's acid forms of cannabinoids. And so the CBDa is the raw, pure, natural. And then what happens is when you process it, especially at high heat, you convert the CBDA, it drops the acid, and it becomes CBD.
Everybody, when they come out with CBD, they talk about technology. They talk about nanotechnology. They talk about all these other technologies, but they're having to break down the molecule so much that there's zero CBDA, and this is what our study's on.
We went and did some initial testing, liver cells, kidney cells, and we came out of it with, when you combine 10x with CBD, hemp oil, etc., what happens is we end up with somehow it protects the CBDA.
My expectation was that it would work. We actually have a whole lot of faith in 10x Pure, no doubt about it. Cannabinoids are oily molecules and they do not mix with water at all. But our oil does mix with water. It is different, it is hydrophilic. And because it has the exposed lauric acid, now it can grab on to other molecules, in this case cannabinoids, drag it along, mix with water, and travel through your body.
The oil itself, it had healing properties by itself. It had therapeutical properties by itself. Once we added it to the CBD, then we were able to create that covalent bond, and that was just our first step in the game. Now we're looking at everything else, vitamins, different minerals, different waters. We're looking at different ways to help other things get into your body better.
So that's the whole purpose here, right? I mean, everybody knows that it's not what you have, but what you get. And so if you only get 10% of what you take, you're wasting 90% of it. If you get 50% of what you take, you're 5 times better.
We're all trying to figure out what's best for the consumer. What's safe, what's right, what's best, so that they have the best impact. And that's what we've been doing right now is we're in that process. We're through the early testing. We came out with a paper describing what we're doing, and we believe we're 3 years ahead of the industry.
We don't have to focus on the competition because there is no competition. Everything that we do from here on out is about growth and expansion.
The race is on. There's pioneers and there's settlers. The pioneers are the people who pick up the baton, they see the vision, they understand the opportunity, they understand the size of it, and they set out and they're gonna go. And that's what we're doing. And the people who join CTFO, they're pioneers. They're pioneers, they're educating, they're driving, they get up every day, they think about it, and they get rewarded. And the settlers, they come later. When it's easy, they send the boat, bring them all, the coast is clear. And that's good for them too. We're making history as we speak right now. And you're in it with us.